Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a super cool project in our hands. Placing the leaded glass in a historic door from 1891, brand new Lexan window. Buckle up because we're about to turn back time and then bring it into the future. Alright, first things first. Let's check out this old door and its leaded glass. We're talking about a piece of history here, over 130 years old. This is like the vintage wine of doors. Time to get those wood moldings off. I start with a putty knife. Gently does it. Think of it like coaxing a cat out from under the bed. I slide the knife between the molding and the frame to loosen it up. Once I've got it going, I switch to my trusty small pry tool. I carefully ease it behind the molding and start prying it away from the frame. It's kind of like a game of Tetris. Fit the tool just right and the piece pops off. I'm handling these moldings like they're antique treasures because they are. Luckily, the glass is held in place by wood moldings, not by sticky putty or adhesive. That means we get to keep things classy and old school without the mess. Take a good look at how these moldings fit around the glass. Alright, onto the leaded glass. I lift it out gently. No sudden moves here. Since this piece is heading off for some TLC, I wrap it up nice and secure. Think of it like a baby's first blanket. Soft, cushy, and carefully wrapped. Now let's inspect the frame. I'm looking for any issues that might affect the new Lexan's fit. This is like checking the engine before a big race. Everything needs to be in top shape for a smooth ride. No surprises allowed. Time to slide in the new Lexan window. It's pre-cut to fit, so this should be a breeze. I carefully position the Lexan into the frame. It should slot in like a perfect piece of a jigsaw puzzle, snug and secure. If it fits any better, I think it was custom made. With the Lexan in place, it's time to reattach those wood moldings. I line them up around the new Lexan, making sure they fit snugly. Using my small pry tool, I tap and adjust the moldings until they're flush and perfectly aligned. It's like dressing a window in a new outfit. Everything has to look just right. Finally, it's time for the grand reveal. I give everything a thorough once-over to make sure the Lexan is securely installed and the moldings are in perfect alignment. I check from every angle to ensure it looks polished and professional. The result? A blend of historic charm with modern durability, ready for the next 130 years. And that's a wrap on today's project. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome DIY adventures, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.